Looky what I'm parked next to. A horsey. He's got his saddle on. He's ready to work. I'm sure they're going to work. We have a lot of cattle farming around here. Dairy farms and stuff, so I'm sure he's the working horse. He or she. I want to go ride him. Pretty sure that would be frowned upon, and I'd probably kill myself. But anyway, listen to the wind. Big windy day. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. So hilarious. And Sam's home. Yeah, Sam's home. He got shaved today. Yeah, we lost his little yellow ball. We're losing balls again. But we got this thing, which is really heavy. But we'll play with it. It works. Chris shaved him and didn't quite get him good. I guess the shaver also would randomly like go to the lowest setting. So that's why we have this in here. So my buddy is not perfect, but he sure feels soft and smooth. And I think his undercoat is getting a little lighter too, like Daddy's. Yeah, but he kept his head. So he looks like a little lion, I said. Yeah. But anyway, turn you around here. But Sam and I are going to wish you I almost said Merry. I'm tired. A happy Valentine's Day. And we love you all. And dance like no one's watching. We'll see you in the next video. So hi guys. Well, I'm at Chris's house tonight. I'm sleeping in his bed. Oh, you can't see it. But there's Chris. Poor Chris is going to be on the floor with the boys. Sam's trying to get up here. Again, I just did a video that I'm going to have to delete because he got in the way. But yeah, Charlotte wouldn't start. She turned over and everything, she just wouldn't fire. So we're thinking maybe it's plugs. So hopefully Chris can get some plugs and wires for her tomorrow, and we'll see. But yeah, his friend Mike came and got me, rescued me. I put a little bag together. It was too damn cold to sleep in her tonight. I thought of it, but it's going to get too dang cold. And it's only going to get colder for the next few days here, so. But anyway, I'm at Chris's house. Going to hunker down here and have at it early in the morning again. All right. I'm holding Sam back. Love you all. Dance like no one's watching. We'll see you in the next video. And pray Charlotte starts and runs for us. And thank God Betsy runs. All right. Oh, Sam's gonna hunker down with Mommy. Yeah, you go hunker down with Mommy. He's like, I like this. Mick likes having me here too. So, all right, night guys. Love y'all. Well, we're all hunkered down for the night. Poor Chris is on the floor. Good night, John boy. Where the walnuts have Walnut Mound. Sam is right here. And I'm Chris's bed, so chivalry is not dead. He's giving me his bed. So that's nice, so. Alrighty, there's a good shot of Micker butt. So, shaved Micker butt. So, alright. Well, good night, everybody. We're going to have a nice night here.